you take your vitamins the way you always have, you might be wasting them completely. That's why you still feel stiff, heavy, or drained in the morning, even though you're doing everything right. Most people never realize that when you take your supplements matters just as much as which ones you take. Tonight, I'll show you a simple, safe, 60-second change that will make your vitamins actually work while you sleep. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vitamin to take, when, and how, so your body finally benefits from everything you swallow. And stick around until the end. Tip number 4 is something almost no one ever talks about, but it can dramatically improve your sleep, muscles, and morning energy. Why timing matters? Here's the truth. Most seniors take supplements whenever it's convenient, usually with breakfast, lunch, or even before bed. The problem is, not all vitamins are absorbed the same way. Some work better with food, some on an empty stomach, and some are stimulating, which makes it hard to sleep. For example, vitamin D is fat-soluble, so taking it in the morning with breakfast helps your body absorb it properly. If you take it at night, it may not work as efficiently. Vitamin B12 is energizing. If you take it before bed, it can keep you awake and restless. Magnesium, on the other hand, is calming. Taking it in the evening can help your muscles relax and improve sleep quality. Most people are doing it wrong because they don't know these tiny but critical details. Even if you're eating healthy, exercising, and taking multiple supplements, timing mistakes can erase almost all the benefits. Tip number 1. Magnesium for nighttime recovery. The first supplement you need to focus on is magnesium, preferably magnesium glycinate. Why magnesium? It helps your muscles relax while you sleep. It supports nervous system recovery, which means less stress and better sleep cycles. It reduces cramps, stiffness, and restless legs, especially in the morning. Here's how to do it. Take 200 to 400 milligrams about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Take it with a small snack if your stomach is sensitive. This improves absorption. Drink a small glass of water. Why this works? Your body absorbs magnesium better when it's relaxed, not overstimulated, and it directly affects muscle relaxation and sleep quality. Mini tip: you can even pair it with a warm herbal tea or almond milk, which signals your body that it's time to rest. Almost everyone skips this step or takes magnesium at the wrong time, which is why they still wake up tired, stiff, or sore. Tip number 2, avoid vitamin conflicts. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They stack all their vitamins together, thinking more is better. The truth is, some vitamins fight each other when taken at the same time. Calcium can interfere with magnesium absorption. Iron competes with zinc. High-dose B vitamins can be stimulating at night. So, the trick is, take magnesium alone at night. Keep calcium or multivitamins for the morning. Take iron or B12 earlier in the day. This tiny adjustment is hardly talked about, but it can make a massive difference in how your body feels by morning. Tip number 3, boost absorption with environmental triggers. Your body doesn't just absorb nutrients mechanically. Timing alone isn't enough. Here's the secret. Your environment and routine influence absorption. Warmth signals relaxation. Take magnesium near a cozy blanket or low lamp light. Gentle movement after taking magnesium improves blood flow, which helps nutrients reach your muscles. Deep breathing for a minute or 2 helps oxygenate the blood and calm your nervous system. Do this. Take magnesium 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Do 60 seconds of gentle ankle circles or shoulder rolls. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling slowly through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. By combining timing plus environment plus light movement, you drastically improve the vitamin's effectiveness overnight. Tip number 4, common mistakes that waste magnesium. Even when seniors take magnesium, they often do it wrong. Mistake number 1, taking magnesium too early in the day. You might feel relaxed, but it often gets used up by daily stress, so you miss the overnight recovery window. Mistake number 2, taking magnesium with a heavy meal. Too much food can slow absorption. A light snack is enough. Mistake number 3, forgetting water. Magnesium needs fluids to travel through your body efficiently. Mistake number 4, not pairing it with calming routines. Sitting under bright lights, scrolling on your phone, or watching telly can reduce its impact. Fix these mistakes tonight, and your muscles, joints, and nervous system will thank you in the morning. Tip number 5, bonus, other nighttime nutrients. While magnesium is the star, a few other overlooked nutrients can supercharge recovery when taken strategically. Melatonin, small dose, regulates your sleep cycle, especially if you struggle with falling asleep. Magnesium plus vitamin K2 combo supports bone and joint recovery. Low-dose zinc improves immune function, but avoid taking too close to calcium. The trick? Pair only what works together, not a full cocktail. Simplicity is better than chaos. Tip number 6, 60-second bedtime routine to maximize effect. Here's a ready-to-do nightly routine that takes only a minute and dramatically improves your vitamin absorption and recovery. Sit comfortably on your bed or chair. Take your magnesium supplement with a small sip of water. Do 60 seconds of gentle ankle rotations and shoulder rolls. Take 3 slow, deep breaths, focusing on exhaling tension. This simple sequence triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's repair mode, making magnesium and other nutrients far more effective. It's fast, safe, and very likely something most seniors have never tried. Tip number 7, why most seniors feel tired or stiff. Let's connect the dots. Morning stiffness equals joints drying out overnight. Low energy equals improper nutrient timing. Poor sleep equals nervous system not relaxed. By taking magnesium correctly and pairing it with 1-minute routines, your body absorbs the vitamin more effectively, relaxes muscles and joints, improves circulation, supports deep, restorative sleep. This is why some people wake up years younger in energy after just a few nights. Tip number 8, simple changes with huge impact. You don't need complicated routines or expensive supplements. By focusing on timing, minimal movement, and calming routines, you can reduce morning stiffness, improve sleep quality, feel energized, and make your current supplements actually work. This is small, hidden leverage. Almost no one teaches this. Tonight, try the 60-second vitamin routine. Take magnesium at the right time, pair it with gentle movement, focus on deep breaths. Comment below, which vitamin will you try tonight? Like the video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Golden Health Hacks for more hidden health tips seniors never hear. Share this with someone who takes vitamins, but still wakes up tired. Remember, it's not just the vitamins you take, it's when and how you take them. Small adjustments like this can make your body feel lighter, stronger, and more energetic almost immediately.